close at 70, 60. So health costs will go up. So this benefit, last time we don't bother. But nowadays, people do more. So come back to this, do really employers say 奢侈or not? Is it really extra? Maybe to a certain extent, but maybe not. You know what, for sure, if your employer say I'm sick today, you cannot fire him. Right? You can. You fire him, you know there will be something to follow up with. Right? And it's also not only whether you really can fire them, at the end of the day, you take decades to build your brand name. You just have to take one instant, your brand will be go astray. So do you want to take the risk? So end up something that you need to consider about health, wealthiness, and welfare. Let's take a look. What does that mean to us? What is the logic behind it? Why keeping physical fit is important to work? Number one, exercise, revive mental toughness, sharp memory. What does that mean? If you are in the pink of health, you're sharp.